Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was not gonna film this video, but I thought, you know what? Let's just do it. Halloween is literally around the corner, just a few days away. The last couple of years, we haven't really been able to, party it up because, well, Milani. My sister's having a birthday party and it's gonna be a costume party, so I had to come up with something very, very last minute. So if you're in a bind and you don't know what to be for Halloween, this is your video. Last minute DIY Day of the Dead Dollar Tree crown. Before you go anywhere, if this is your first time here, I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel, hitting the bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I'm going to be using some of these thin Dollar Tree headbands and then also some zip ties and just an assortment of flowers. I have different colors, and then I also have these black Halloween roses, and then these are also from Dollar Tree. These are the Halloween curtains for decoration, and this is from last year. It's one of the little witch's hat. All I'm going to do is just take off the black tulle off of it. So wrapping it around the headband, I'm taking all of my zip ties and just starting at the center and then going all the way around. And I'm looking like a hot mess, but I wanted to show you guys more or less what it looks like. I did add 2 more zip ties to the sides to give it more of an even look towards the bottom. Now this pack comes in 3. I'm taking the black headband, which is a little bit sturdier. This is going to be my base. And then folding that curtain in half, I'm going to center the headband and just start hot gluing it. I'm not going to glue it all the way down to the bottom of the headband. I'm just going to stop right at this part right here. And then once it's all glued, see how this goes towards the back? I'm going to flip it inside and then over the headband just to make sure that it stays on there and it doesn't fall off. For some reason, I really like how this looks with my hair up in a bun like that. Milani, you don't like it like that? No? Okay, well, I'm just making sure that everything is even, and then after that, I'm just gonna hot glue the piece of tulle over my face like a veil. So I did spray paint this main part of the crown with a gold metallic spray paint, and I'm going to hot glue it on top of the other headband. And I want it to be really sturdy, so I'm going to put a good amount of hot glue in the center, on the sides, and then even after that, I'm going to reinforce it with another zip tie in the center. The Halloween roses have these little branches that I'm going to hot glue on the zip ties. The final step is to just glue the flowers on the headband, and I used all the colors that I had. The red, purple, there's like a light pink or like a blush, and then also some of the black roses and black leaves from the Halloween stems. I did do it on the front and then also towards the back. The part on the back, I did put the roses with the eyeballs. I thought it looked pretty cool, so I went ahead and did that.